I'm Angie Cody with eXp Realty, and I'm here at my latest listing at 3023 Oakleigh Township in Knoxville, Tennessee. And I would like to share some of the highlights of this house that I consider my favorites. The first one is it has a bedroom on the main level and a full bath, which is so hard to find. It also has a home office on the main level, and then the second level has a huge bonus room, and it is an ideal location. It's conveniently located in Carnes. It's close to Turkey Creek for your shopping, and then it's also close to the Clinton Highway and Shad Road area, which is perfect for shopping as well. And the backyard is amazing. It has a storage shed, a gazebo, perfect for entertaining, and I would love to show you this newest listing, so please contact me at 865-755-2639 or at angiecody.com, and I look forward to hearing from you.